Today we're going to concentrate on strengthening and toning your glutes. By the end of this video, you'll feel like you've really worked your butt. Hey y'all, it's Amy and Rachel here with Just Be, and we're here to help you just get in a little bit each day. So let's get started. Okay, so we're concentrating on the glutes today. We're doing a shoulder bridge. So go ahead and press the hips up towards the ceiling, keeping your ribs in, and you're going to lower your hips to a hover, just a few inches above the mat, and you're going to press it up again. And we're going to be doing this a lot. So let's go. This is 2 and 3. Just keep your ribs in, and 4 and 5. Good. And you're trying to squeeze right where your butt and thigh come together and dig in through the heel. But now we're going to stay up and do little scoops of the pelvis. So Amy, I want you to think of scooping your pubic bone up. And just keeping your knees and feet hip width apart. 7. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and you set your butt down. Good. We're going to do the same thing. 8 up. 8 pulses, but we're going to take the feet the width of the mat, but staying parallel. Ready? Hips up. Hinge right here at your hip crease to go down, and we go up for 8. Good. And 7. Now these you'll feel more in what I call the side butt.
I feel it.
5. And as she's pushing up with her butt, she's pushing down in the ribs so you're not hyperextending the back. Good. 2. 1. Now stay up there, Amy. Little pulses, which is more of a scoop. Yeah, it's a little bit deeper. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you hinge at the hip to go down. The next set we're going to have with your feet together. And this one's, I think, is the most difficult. Go ahead and lift up. And you see it's harder to lift up here when you're tight, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so hinge down and press up. 8. And we're going to pretend we have a $100 bill here between your knees.
Ooh, good. I'm going to drop that.
Ribs down. And 3.
I'm a rib popper.
And 2. And 1. Little pulses. Oh, she's shaking. 1, 2. I would be 2, 3, and 4. Scoop that pubic bone up. Good. Let's hold. And lower. Down. Good.
Nice.
Okay, so let's go back to the feet hip width apart. Okay. And we're going to cross your left foot over your right knee. Good. And from here, now the weight is in your right foot, you're going to lift the hips up and you go down to a hover for 8. Good. And 7, 6, 5. You're good. Just scoop that pubic bone up 4 so you really get into that thigh.
Yeah.
Good. Hold up and pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. Good work. You hear our dog Tashi in the back. Keeping it real. All right, regroup. Get the hips nice and level, and you lift up. Good. And lower down to a hover. Yep. So that's part of the challenge because you only have support on one side. This is going to want to dip. You're doing a good job. I think that's 4 and 5. 8 little pulses, Ames. This is your last set. 6, 5, 4. Shoulders relaxed. Good work. 2, 1. Hold. And go all the way down. Good work. All right, let's just pull this knee in real quick. Let's just have a quick stretch. Pull the knee in. Good. And then we'll take that leg up to the ceiling. Oh, point flex a few times. You just want to get this stretched now. Good. And then we'll change sides.
Good.
Stretch the back of the leg. And rest. So if you're a beginner, start with as many reps as you can. Take a breather, pop back in. If you're advanced, do this exercise or this video 2 or 3 times. If you like the video and you like the workout, please hit like below, share it with your friends. It's all about getting just a little bit in every day. So subscribe and we'll see you tomorrow.